What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be seeing if a lawnmower battery will work in a Miata. As you guys know, I got a ton of tornado damage around here, and even my NA got messed up. So it's like water in here now. The freaking top got ripped, the back window, and some hail damage, but not terrible. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see a few dings here and there, but so insurance came out. Said I need to take it to a shop. So in order for me to take it to a shop to get a quote, I need a new battery. My battery was like shot already. It's been sitting for a few months. So excuse me, sir, I'm trying to film a video. Anyways, I've been pricing batteries and they want like $150 to $200 for a battery. Well, if you're broke like me, you don't want to pay that. So did some shopping around and I found this at excuse me, sir. I found this at O'Reilly's. 350 cold cranking amps is like 60 bucks. This battery that was in it is 370, so it's a little lower, but it has these ears on it. So I bought some. Yeah, I know, right? I bought some top post adapters, so we're gonna throw them on. I'll drop the link to this stuff, and we're gonna have a battery for like $75 instead of $175. So I'll put this in and let you know if it works. All right, these are the post adapters I got. Terminal adapters. So designed to convert most group U1 flag terminal batteries. Cool. So this is a U1, and let's go ahead and see if they work. And so you just take this bolt nut out, put it here, blah blah blah. I'll show you in a second. All right, got them on, tightened up. Here's what they look like. Go on, super simple, pretty self-explanatory. Bolt nut, blah, blah, blah. So honestly, it's like the same size. Honestly, it's smaller. This lawnmower battery is a little bit smaller, but not by much. So this is 350 cold cranking amps, and this was 370. So it's a little bit less of your cranking amps, but we'll see if this thing fits in this Miata here. So yeah, I'm gonna put a battery in this thing, and then I'm gonna take it and go get a quote on the repairs and see if they're gonna fix it or see if they're gonna total it. I mean, just the top, I know soft tops alone are probably like $1,000, and then just the hail dings. Let me see if I see it. Yeah, there's a few right here. See it? Boom, boom. So a couple on the door, a bunch of PDR work. You can see them. Oh yeah, I got it good right here. Bam, bam, bam. So it's just a ton of PDR work, and we'll see what's gonna happen, and I guess we'll go from there. Honestly, I was planning on selling it anyways, just to get it out of my way. And then I got this NB back here. I got to do a battery in that, and then we'll be going to Slammed Enough Branson at the end of next month. And then I got to get it ready for my car show, which is May 4th. If you're local, South County, Cars and Queso, check it out on Facebook and pop out. So once we get back from Branson, I'm gonna get this out of my way. This will hopefully be out of my way, whether insurance takes it or I sell it to somebody I know. Get these out of my way, get my garage back cleaned up, get the Trans Am out. I mean, look at that thing. That thing looks like a freaking barn find, dude. And either start doing some car content, sell my truck, get a diesel. I don't know yet, but first things first, I gotta get my house going. As you can see, there's a patio here, there's a patio cover here. And yeah, and then get a Mini X, make a dirt bike track, pit bike content coming soon. Did a French drain over here all the way back. So there were some updates on the house. Told you guys I'll let you know, some updates. So ended up doing a French drain from the front up there, whoop, all the way back to the woods. So I got to test it out a few days ago. It rained like 4 inches, which is a lot. 4 inches is a lot. And my basement was dry. Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to tell you. Did this driveway drain. It's not perfect, but works like a freaking charm, dude. Usually it'd be a swimming pool under here when it rains because the water rolls off of that, and then it would just like literally I'd walk outside and it'd be a freaking swimming pool and it would piss me off. So I finally buckled down, spent $350 on just the freaking driveway drains at Lowe's. $350, ridiculous. I cut it out, jackhammered it, put the rock in. Works like a charm. So I'm gonna hook this battery up and then I'll pick you back up when we go to fire it up. All right, got her installed. Fits like a glove, fits in the factory bracket and everything. So go ahead and put this carpet back. However it goes. Just kind of hides the battery a little bit. So tuck that back, snap it in later. Let's see if this thing fires up. Literally has been like a month. Probably over a month since I started this thing. So see if the lawnmower battery will start the lawnmower Miata. I mean, these motors about the size of my lawnmower, honestly. So, whew. Dude, I haven't been in this thing in months, bro. Well, we got power. Just like that, you can get a lawnmower battery. I pull forward. Trying to make sure my son's out of the way so I don't run him over. Right, I'm gonna pull forward. What the hell was that? Alright, well, just like that. To conclude the video, you can buy a lawnmower battery for your Miata. So save $100-ish. Like I said, this was like a $75 thing. It was like $60, $65 for the battery. O'Reilly's, like the lawn start, and then the adapters. I think they're 10 or 12 or something on Amazon. So little tip for you. Now I'm gonna take this and either drop it off or get a quote on all this damage and see if insurance is gonna want to pay to fix it all or total it or what. So I'll let you guys know. And dude, I haven't drove this thing in a while, so yeah. Well guys, if you guys saw the Christmas video with the lights and everything, today is the day I neuter my Miata. Maybe not, my freaking needle nose won't open. Jingle balls, jingle balls, jingle balls. Had them on there pretty good, dude. They've been on there since December. No more balls. So, all right, let's take this thing to get either inspected, quoted, or see if I'm dropping it off. Shit, it's been forever. Might as well take the top down, right? Fuck it. It's like a 2-second drive, but might be the last drive if insurance totals it out and they want to pay good, so. Oh, I got a Santa hat in here, bro. See ya. Been a while, baby. Let me roll the windows down. I was gonna put that steering wheel in here, but I think I got the wrong hub. Oh shit. Aww. Aww. Got the hydro in and everything. Never even really got to play with it much. I don't know. I kind of want to buy it back if they do total it, but sometimes they don't want to pay you out as much. Like say, just make it easy. Say they want to give you 10 grand for the car. They'll give you, are you going to get over, bro? I'm trying to drive a stick here and you're in the middle of the fucking road. Say they want to give you 10 grand for it. Well, they'll give you the 10 grand, but they'll come and pick it up. But if you want to keep it, they'll give you 5 grand and you can keep it type shit. That's just for easy math. They're not going to give me anywhere near that, but yeah. I'll let you guys know what they end up doing. So stay tuned. Well, I just took it up there and they looked at it really quick and they're like, yeah, this thing's gonna total out. They want to schedule me to come back and get a full inspection on it, and we'll go from there. But they might total the Miata, so they said I could buy it back and still have a clean title, which is really cool, because in Missouri the laws, if it's older than 10 or 20 years old, they won't give you a salvage title. So pretty stoked on that. We're just cruising with the top down now. It's been a long time, and yeah, just cruising old Betsy. So we'll see if I'm gonna keep it as a drift rocket still or sell it or what. It'll depend on how much they pay me and this and that. I got a lot of work, a lot of money to spend on my house, trying to make my house nicer, and honestly, I'm out of room at the house, dude. Like, I want every car, I want to keep every car, but it's just like, dude, it comes to a point where you're just out of damn room. I can't work on anything. I'm tired of storing it. I never drive them most of the time. Like, it just comes to a point where it's like, you should probably let one or two go, and that's what I think I'm gonna do. Depending on what they pay me, I might end up seeing if my brother will let me park this at his house somewhere, or I don't know. We'll see, but I'm gonna get this video out, and we'll just stay tuned on how much they pay me or if they total it or not. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna drive this thing home and park it and get back to working on the house. My car show is next weekend on the 4th, May 4th, Saturday, up at Jack's Wax, St. Louis in South County. So peep it out. Follow us on Facebook, Cars and Queso, St. Louis Cars and Queso, and see you guys there. The trophies are badass. So if you're not at that show and you're local and your car can win some trophies, you should be there, because they're some of the best trophies I've seen. I had them made custom. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you there.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.